Cough after cough, my ancient guard, clearing the lungs when threats hit hard. Dust and invaders swept away, shielding my breath through night and day. But when the warning starts to roar,